The domain of a function is all the values of x that can work in the function. So usually what you want to do, if you don't have a graph of a function, usually what you want to do is take a look at the function and think what cannot work for x. And that's always found either in the bottom or if it's in a square root. You don't want to divide by 0, and you don't want to take the square root of a negative number because that would make an imaginary number. So looking at the bottom here, we can't have x equals 9, and we can't have x equals negative 1 because that would be a divide by 0 error. So here's how we're going to list our domain. We're going to say we can have negative infinity, the smallest negative number that you can think of, but then stop when you get to negative 1. And we're going to make a parentheses because we cannot include negative 1. And we're going to say union negative 1 to 9. And then we're going to put another parentheses because we cannot include 9. So we're going to pick it up as soon as we leave 9, and then we're going to go on to positive infinity. So in the interval notation, that's our domain. Okay, all the numbers you want except for negative 1. Jump over negative 1, then go to 9, and jump over 9, go to infinity.